Remember, when you're doing something new like this course, it's the beginning of something. Once you've started, everything will change. Then you'll say, I should have done this sooner. So many people do, but that's the past and we're now moving towards the future. So on that note, let's start with our overview of topics. So I want to go over the topics we're going to be covering and possible outcomes, as well as who this course is for. So throughout the course, we're going to be covering what do we spend our money on and where does our money go? So we're going to find that out and you're going to be able to make some changes, okay? We're going to complete a plan of what you're going to spend your money on and what bank accounts you're going to need to set that up so you've got a better system. We're also going to work out a debt reduction plan if you've got debt. So we're going to have that sorted. We're going to work out where you want to get to. You know, you're kind of wise for doing this course, whether it's buying a house, whether it's debt reduction to then get a house, whether it's staying in a house. We're going to sort that. Oh, yes, we are. And some other ways to try and increase your deposit or reduce your debt. Then we're going to look at the things the banks look at when you buy a home, like your credit history, your debt levels, all of that. Then we're going to implement your plan for the next 3 months and then you shall review it. After that, we're going to do a bit of a where to from here recap. Then we're going to launch into the bonus sections for insurance, KiwiSaver bonus section. I want your outcomes to be that you will start to feel more in control of your finances. It's so important. You will start to feel less stressed about money. You'll also start to move forward and see an improvement in your finances. And I think, you know, your life just feels lighter and you feel happier because you've got a plan and you're going to follow it. I have faith in you. You're going to move towards having debt to less debt and then to no debt, and also getting closer to the key of owning your own home or staying in your own home. So who is this course for? Well, for someone perhaps that's flatting or boarding and you want to look at, you know, starting the process of getting into your own home. Someone that wants to get rid of your personal debt, as I said, before you look at buying your own home so that you're on a better track. Someone that wants to understand how to actually get into the best position before you turn up at the bank to ensure you've got a better chance of an approval. Someone that likes something to follow. I think that always tends to help keep us accountable to ensure that you're staying in control and starting to feel confident about your money matters. Perhaps also someone whose interest rate's coming off their fixed term soon and you know that you're going to be going on to a much higher interest rate. So you really need to try and find some more money and work out your budget first. Okay? So actually all of us need this, don't we? Including myself, trust me. I've just done this recently, so it's amazing. So step 1 is tracking our money. Dun-dun-dun-dun. So what we're going to do may be a wee bit confronting, as you're going to see where your money goes, but that's the point. We need to see where it goes before we make any changes, okay? So you may be surprised on what you think you spend versus your actual spending, but this is just part of getting ahead. We've got to do a deep dive. Last year, before we went on holiday, so it was kind of an unexpected trip to the UK, we needed to find some money. So like you do, we did this exact exercise, which we're about to do, and it works. Well, for some of you, you might only need like a little bit of a tweak in your spending and review your existing bank account setup. For others, this may feel completely outside your comfort zone, but that's okay. You've got me here for you. So we're gonna do it step by step, and I swear it will be worth it, I promise. Know that you will evolve through this as time passes. There's no instant fix. We all seem to kind of want these days, if only there was a pill for everything. We can all be a little impatient, hence blooming afterpays are so successful. We're not aiming for perfection. We are aiming for change, and that change will keep changing. So all we need to expect from ourselves is starting the process.